Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and another review episode. So the very kind people at TopDon reached out to me and said, would you mind just, trying out a couple of our products? So the first one they've sent me is the V2200 Plus jump starter, but this is no normal jump starter because this has got an app you can enable with it as well, and it will do various other different tasks. Now, I don't actually have a car which I need to jumpstart at the moment, which is kind of ironic that I've got a jump starter. However, I have got a battery which has been sat in my garage for God knows how long now, and I have no idea whether it's good, and I have no idea whether it will take a charge. So what we're going to do, we're going to do an unbox, we're going to have a look at the actual device itself, kind of go through some of the features, look at the app, and then we're going to jump outside. Well, not jump outside, we're going to go outside, we're going to get that battery and we're going to give it a test and see what it can tell us. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so let's dive into it and see what we have. First off, I can tell a really well-made case. It's got carry handle and the quality is really good. Feels very sturdy. So inside we have instructions, and then we have the jump starter itself, which is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. So this will apparently give you, on a full charge, 35 jumps. So you can jump 35 cars or jump a really bad car 35 times. It's got a charge point on the side, and you've also got a USB-C output. And on the other side, you've got two other USB type A sockets. You've got a light on the end there, so if you turn it on, hold the button down, and there you go. You've got a really powerful light there. It's really handy if you're in the dark. I haven't charged this. I've literally just taken it out of the box now and showing you for the first time. So there we have our jump starter. We've got the instructions with a QR code, so we'll scan that in a minute and get the app installed. You've got your attachment, and apparently these are updated connectors. They're improved connectors, so it's the latest ones on there. You've got a boost button on the side if you need to boost your output to the vehicle you're trying to jump. And it'll even tell you if there is a Bluetooth connection on the side there, and if it's okay or there's an error, because this not only boosts and jump starts your vehicle, it has also got technology built into it to run a diagnostic on your battery. In fact, looking on the instructions here, it says it can do a battery test, it can do a cranking test, and it can do a charging test to make sure that your alternator's charging the battery. You can do bi-directional quick charge, so use the USB Type-C port that's on the side to do a quick charge on a mobile phone, a laptop, something like that. It's got a 16,000 milliamp hour versatile power supply. The LED light has 3 illumination modes: flashlight, SOS, and a strobe. And then you can get your jump start reports when you use the app. So a lot of technology built into such a little thing. I actually have one of these which we use for our fleet at work. It's the 3000, the bigger model battery jump starter, but it doesn't have the technology that this has. This has got a lot more technology in it. It can actually give you those reports, so that's really good. So what else have we got in the kit? I'm guessing this is the charge cable for it. Oh yeah, USB-A to Type-C, so I'm guessing that's when you're charging it. Yeah, so let's get the app installed and have a look at that. So I've just scanned the QR code, so now we'll download the Android version. Okay, so we need to add device. Only this time. The Bluetooth connection. Yep, so you can see that now we've got a Bluetooth light flashing on the side, and straight away it has picked it up. So jump surge. Okay, so we're connected. Current firmware is an old version, please upgrade it for you. So let's do that. And I'll need to create an account. So I'll do that in a second and we'll cut back. Okay, so we're all logged in. Look at the details on here. So obviously you can do battery test, cranking test, charging test, and real-time voltage. And obviously you can save all your reports. Oh, there we go. Firmware upgrade. Firmware upgrade successful. Right, excellent. Okay, so this is now all up to date. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it on charge for a little bit and then we'll go out and we'll find a battery to do some testing. Okay, so we've got our jump starter connected up to this old battery. So this came out of the Vauxhall Corsa that was flood damaged. So we'll start off and we will do a battery test. So you have to give it details. So on top of the battery, you've got some details there. So we are a CCA, and it is 360. So next. So voltage too high. Please remove. Just try it again. Yeah. Okay, so battery condition 13.3 volts. Bear in mind this is sat on the floor. I think I tried charging it about 4, maybe 5 months ago. State of health is 100%, state of charge is 100%, and the battery voltage and the resistance seems to be good as well. So we'll save that. So let's just try that on something else. Okay, so when I did the test on the other battery, it asked me to switch some stuff on to get a proper voltage test. So what we're going to do is check out this one, because we can turn some stuff on, and also we can find out how good the battery is in Katie's new car. Okay, so we are connected to the jump pack. We're going to do a battery test. Same thing, look at the details on the top of the battery. There we go, DIN 680. Okay, done. Next, voltage too low, please charge your battery first to have an accurate test. So this is discharging, and the state of health on this one is 0. I wonder if it's because that's not on there properly. Let's just go back and do it again. Battery test. There we go. So we've actually got some health on it now. It's state of health 16%, state of charge 3%, so that's very low. So let's give it a start. Okay, so with that connected, we'll now have a look and see if we can do another test. So I'm now going to do a charging test. Turn off all accessories. Do that first. Yeah, everything is off. So next, start the vehicle and press confirm. Yeah. Turn off all electronics, that's done. Increase engine speed to 2,500 RPM. So let's do that. Oh. Two and a half thousand RPM. turn on the electronics. Okay. Okay, headlights, do all the rest of it. And there we go. Let's just turn that off. So there we go, we can check and see a loaded value, and it is charging normally. So what a cracking bit of kit that was. I had no idea that that battery was so flat, I probably wouldn't even be able to start the car. But that's after me starting the video saying I haven't got a car I need to jump start. I clearly did have a car I needed to jump start. So what a cracking bit of kit, and thank you again to TopDon for sending this out for me to test. One thing they did say to me is on the 25th of March, there is going to be a sale. So I think it's up to like 25% off. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to check my email. But what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description to Amazon where you can go and buy either this device or any of the other TopDon range and save yourself a bit of money. The one last thing I just had a thought about with this is the fact that not only do I now not need to carry jump leads around with me everywhere, but also I can take this away when we go on holiday. So if we go camping with the kids and we need like a power pack, we can use this as a power pack. And I just tested it with my laptop and it charges my laptop absolutely fine. So really versatile, more than a battery booster. So yeah, really, really impressed with that. And like I say, again, thank you TopDon for sending this out. If you've got anything else that you want me to test, feel free to let me know. If anyone else out there wants me to trial out any of their products, then please drop me a message on email. My contact details are in the description. With anything else to say, I hope it's benefited you guys and I hope you've liked what I've shown today. And I will catch you in the next video.